This is how we do.
This is how we do it.
This is how we do.
This is how we do it.
This is how we do.
This is how we do it.
This is how we do.
This is how we do it.
This is how we do it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it. This is how we do it.
This is how we do. We make a move and act a fool while we up in the club. This is how we do. Nobody do it like we do it, so show us some love. This is how we do. We make a move and act a fool while we up in the club. This is how we do. Nobody do it like we do it, so show us some love.
Grada hotter, all on my Copacabana, mama. Got a lot of shit with you and I love the persona, mama. Always love to get with you, ever needed me, mama. Holla. How you check me and give me the Uchi Walla Walla. Swallow a couple shots of the yak and make $1. Little mama in the crib with a focus to be a scholar. Type of example of a shorties might need to follow. Not a chick with a bug and come with a little shot of horror. Take you to the Caribbean, down the Carabana. Till the Mediterranean and enjoy the water. When the road is rocky, you keeping me stocky. Taking care, nigga, so I'm right when you checking your poppy. We alright, baby, hug me with all your might and put it on a nigga, cause you know that it's on tonight. Break up the makeup, you know that we gonna fight, and if we...
This is a story about a boy named Chris. One morning, he woke up. He woke up with a sore throat and a bad cough. And then his nose got really stuffy. He was so miserable. He wished he didn't go to sleep so late last night. What was he gonna do? So he crawled back into his bed with his blanket and his pillow. But he got hot. But then he got really cold, so he put this blanket back on. But then he got hot again. Because he had the cold sweats. And then he thought to himself, I think I need to get some medicine. He didn't have much time left. The virus was very strong. I need to find that medicine fast. The sickness was making him weaker by the second. Allard clear, no, this isn't it. He started to lose himself. Where is it? What? So he went through his laundry, but could only find clothes. His sickness was getting worse. He began to lose hope. He went to his refrigerator to get some juice. At last, he found the medicine.
I found it. Robitussin medicine. Oh no.
And now his adventure was over.
feel better already.
Boys and girls, listen up. You can be anything in the world, and God we trust. An architect, doctor, maybe an actress, but nothing comes easy. It takes much practice. Like I met a woman who's becoming a star. She was very beautiful, leaving people in awe. Singing songs, Lena Horne, but the younger version. Hung with the wrong person, got her strung on that heroin, cocaine, sniffing up drugs, all in her nose. Could've died so young, now looks ugly and old. No fun, cause now when she reaches for hugs, people hold their breath, cause she smells of corrosion and death. Company you keep and the crowd you bring, cause they came to do drugs and you came to sing. So if you're gonna be